know. Who knew that rovers would help us actually physically be better? All right. Sounds like the West Side Story. All right. Cool. All right, let's go. Back this way. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This way. All right, and now we'll go. Hi, what's up? All the YouTubers will love this one. All right, and Alina, do you want to come back with me in this one? And then we'll just do the same thing again. Cool. All right, and we'll forward. What's up? All right, cool. And now this one, Alina, stand here. I'm gonna stand up here, and just follow my as much as you can. All right, and go. Should we do like a running thing? Slightly? Let's go over here. Let's do a little bit faster.
So just like us running past him?
Yeah, run towards it and then like, but so aim at it, but then kind of get around it. All right, ready? Very stressed out. Move it. I would keep it kind of aim for the center, but then outside last minute. Yeah, ready?
Yeah, we definitely need to add noises to it, like R2D2 stuff.
Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, I was about to say the rover sound, right? Like if you're actually, you would have a hard time
recording sound
on this.
You always do it in post.
Oh, okay.
Same with cable cam, because the stabilization, they make a lot of sound.
Right, totally.
But this is not a lot of sound. This is not the worst
and
thing.
you
Yeah, no.
separately and then you make it in
you would have
post.
to. I mean, it's just something to note.
Yeah.
It's probably better to use it for, unless there's like a lot of natural
Should we
sounds.
hit stop?
Yeah, yeah.